Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. If you're new, follow the channel. You may never see me again because I do the Pepe updates on a regular basis. That's the only reason for following. Now, back into the Pepe update. If I zoom out here, Pepe, of course, always had a room to actually go down, and you have your previous all-time high, which was 3903, and there could be chances where you actually visit 3903 because that's your big support moving forward, but no guarantees at the moment. Pepe on the daily time frame here is having this trend line. I want to see how the trend line really behave. So probably there's a little bit of a room to actually touch the trend line on the RSI trend line one more time, and this could be something possible. Or maybe if you go absolutely crazy, you may actually come down to all the way down to the floor, which is 23.8, and then finally consolidate and then move back up very quickly. And I've always expected a pre-halving dump, and the last video that I made, I told you that wait for the breakdown. Wait for the breakdown, because no matter what we think, yes, you have a pennant, you always have a pattern, but if you don't get a break and a clear direction, you will never ever know where exactly you go. Now, on a perfect world, I mean, when you study chart reading, you study pennants, bull flags and stuff, this is a perfect time for Pepe to do something like this. Go up, create a pennant, and continue to move to the upside. That's pretty much what the whole world was expecting, and I'm pretty sure everyone was already bullish. Everyone was buying on top here, so I'm pretty sure the whales had their reasons for taking the prices down, shake some people off, and you know how the game goes, and vice versa. But the thing is that Pepe went down, and it actually didn't just go down, it went down to the technical target, which is at the bottom of the triangle. So breakdown, you come down to where the triangle is, and that's where you actually develop a new support line over here. So if we try to talk about our future now, this is pretty much a demand zone right there. So here it is. One touch, you got it right over there. You have one support and a push back up. You're getting another support, probably a push back up one more time to 7518. So maybe this is a good trading opportunity, scalping, whatever you could actually get. If things go back up again, you have a 26% chance to trade to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.